Whew. All right. Yep. Back at it again. You know what? Persona vlog in the midst of it. About this video. That's why I couldn't make it. That's why I couldn't wake up 4 in the morning. But I don't want to show you how to wake up 4 in the morning. No, there are a few things we need to do, you and I. That means everything. Just about everything. That you need proper motivation. That means you really gotta want it. You must wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. You need to be ambitious. But you gotta wake up. You just gotta wake up. Because if your passion, if your ambitions and also they gotta mean more. You gotta they have to wake you up in the morning. Awesome. Okay, and here's the tricky thing. You have to forget about it. Let me explain. Maybe what if I forgot something? You need to forget about it. You're set, you can go to sleep. Number 2, forget about it. Number 3, I want you to get really tired. Everybody, basically everybody, you need to get tired. Every little brain power, you need to spend it. You need to get tired. You may push your progress a week back. Again, you gotta want it. But it has to mean more than anything. So, number 3, get tired. That one last thing before you go to bed. That means maybe play a little game, maybe check your email, Facebook, just a little. I don't know. Read a book, edit your vlogs. I don't know, come up with ideas, but just to get yourself tired. A side note. This is not for everybody. It's not even for you. Probably not. But it is for the ambitious. It is for the motivated. It is for the people who has found a purpose. It's for those people. Not for everybody. It's only for those who want it. Okay. I gotta go to sleep. Yep, this is the qanoq unnua qulimissaani naayarama taalumassakkutallamissaanillunallaraakun silataartorissuuq appaasuli taqqamasinippu taam ullaakkut makeriaravit pingaarnertut. Keep the momentum going. Whatever. I don't know. Work. Being altered also to keep the momentum going. So that's what we're gonna do. And what do I mean by keep the momentum going? Just to prepare breakfast. You want to make it easy. You can start it being out. Tungassaaruatit ullaakkорsiornissamut atorniingilati. Alangina tamasa nukimmitinusisarput. You want to save that energy. So ullaakkорsiutiuliornissa piaarsornissai missakkumi it needs to be instinctive, like you just you just put it together and just start eating. And this is just the on 4 timer. So this is just breakfast number 1. And you just need energy. Ja, det er jo i meqqalatsererniqo kuullerpaaniikkatta tas peqqussutimaliinnerlavi imeqqalatserarluatta imersinaatsimussuli tamamma pre-workout nillataartoriorussuum imeqqalatinniqoq should be fine. Massage. Alright, now we can go work out. Sinni parsaalarlatikikkutamaaimisinikkunaarni. Takusasseedaaruat ullaakkutaamataantreenaarnermi qanoq nuk ibaatsinginersa. It's really quiet. Aqqasorniikkaartariannaappat because there's no cars. Piileringimmiikkaartariannaat. Taulu. I'm not alone. Allinaamitsereenertoortarpullaaraakkut. Suliartungilataamisereenaartartut. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I know. Ullaaradar ingerlaavit and you're still here? Yeah? No. Ullaakkut Sisamanut Ullaakkut Itertalerneq, right? Tisuna video allartikku taamatuusumassarsiaarpunga qaalili. I've been talking about it. Right? Like I made some videos about it. How much do I really put into this? What are the tactics? Just to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. This is not for everybody. Might not even be for you. It's not for everybody, but it is for those who are hungry. It's for those who want to achieve great things. Now, not everybody wants great things. What is a great thing? I don't know. Maybe that's a great thing for you. Maybe that's a great thing for you. I don't know. There are a million ways to win. This just happens to be one of the practical ones. Dava. Should you wake up 4 o'clock in the morning? No, you shouldn't wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. A normal life, you shouldn't wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. It takes preparation. You need to be there mentally. Ullaakkut Sisamanut what your thing is, it's gotta mean more than anything. It's gotta mean everything. It's gotta mean more than sleep. I don't know what. And by the way, super type A. I'm not. Ullaakkut Sisamanut Itertalerneq. Imaarunit Ullaakkut Sisamanut iterputit. Imaasinaasoq arsaartartuuguit arsileriartortutit. Imaasinaasoq nipilersortartuuguit nipilersoriartutit. I don't know. Imaasinaasoq I don't know. Artist, entrepreneur. I don't know what you do. Kisianni Ullaakkut Sisamanut if you want to be 4 hours ahead of everybody. Tikolloasin Ullaakkut iteruit siaki maarfini piasungullertu maarun arfenqimalaaraa. Itereriaruma. So tikolloasin if I just skip the gym and go straight to work. Ullaakkut Sisamanut. Imina tunerersimassunga 4 tiimi illaallartinginnerni. Before you start, I already have 3 hours of work ahead of you. Sisamanut imaarun I don't know naroaqassinsoartarnersutit. Sisamanut amua sisamanut I will have extra 4 hours of work. Elon Musk oqarpo. When you're a small company, you really gotta work hard. Ta 50 tiimi sulisaaruit ualu 100 tiimi sulisarlungasapaatiakunnaarnuk. I will have double the chance of succeeding more than you. It's just math. So, nikiserlungo video allartinnaarnik oqaatingivara. You need to get tired before you go to bed. Qasusariaqarputit innanginnernitinlorniaruit. Nukissaqaaruit unuanakkuitissuutit. Yaarserluit asiassatit trinortissatit. Imaarun gitaarit, imaarun arsat, imaarun nutaatitit. I don't know what you do. Quraro missani. I'm gonna need you to do it one more time. Amaqangu. And the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that. I need you to keep going. Ullaakkut Sisamanut Itertalerneq. You won't succeed at asiaannerlut. Just because you wake up 4 o'clock in the morning once, taisumaqingita resultaatiingerlaannuissasut. It won't. It will take some time. Sivitteami. You have to grind. You have to hustle. You have to get tired. Qasusariaqarput. It's all wasted. Alright, this video has been long enough. How to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. Qanoq itertoqarsinnaanersoq. Aqlaniqaissaqaaruit isummatiannisilaarusikku kikkumitaani kanani allanniaringit. Qaamallungaluama subscribe-arsinnaarutit. Tamakkuningikkussillataaunga about tactic vlogs. I actually try to bring you value. Qonorsuusinnarsinnaavit video tullissaani tiqarqikkumarpungut. Huppa!